Have you ever wondered what makes sunscreen so essential for your skin? Today, we're diving into the science behind how sunscreen works to keep you safe under the sun. Sunscreen is more than just a summer accessory. It's a vital defense mechanism against the sun's powerful rays. But what exactly is it defending against? The real threat comes from ultraviolet, or UV, radiation, specifically UVA and UVB rays. These invisible rays penetrate your skin, causing damage that can lead to sunburn, premature aging, and even skin cancer. Sunscreen acts as a shield, but how it shields you depends on its ingredients. Let's look at the two main ways sunscreen provides protection. Sunscreens fall into two major categories: chemical, also known as organic filters, and physical or mineral/inorganic filters. Each works in a distinct way to protect your skin. Chemical sunscreens contain active ingredients like oxybenzone and avobenzone. These are known as organic filters because they contain carbon-based compounds. Physical sunscreens use mineral compounds like zinc oxide and titanium dioxide. These are referred to as inorganic filters, as they are derived from minerals. Now let's explore the process of chemical protection. Chemical sunscreens work by being absorbed into the skin. Once absorbed, the organic filters chemically react with UV radiation. This reaction absorbs the UV rays and converts the energy into heat, which is then harmlessly released from the skin. Physical sunscreens operate differently. They don't absorb into the skin. Instead, they sit right on the surface. The mineral compounds in physical sunscreens form a protective layer on top of your skin, creating a physical shield. When UV rays hit this barrier, the minerals primarily reflect and scatter the radiation away from your skin, preventing it from penetrating. You often see SPF numbers on sunscreen bottles. But what exactly does sun protection factor tell you? SPF is a measure of how well a sunscreen protects against UVB rays, which are the main cause of sunburn. Higher SPF means more protection, but it doesn't scale linearly. Crucially, look for quote, broad spectrum on the label. This indicates that the sunscreen protects against both UVB rays, which cause burning, and UVA rays, which contribute to aging and long-term damage. Even the best sunscreen won't work if it's not applied correctly. Quantity and timing are everything. You need about a full ounce or a shot glass full to cover exposed areas of your body for effective protection. Apply it 15 minutes before going outside. Remember to reapply every 2 hours or immediately after swimming or sweating heavily, as the protection can wear off or wash away. Whether it reflects or absorbs, sunscreen is essential for healthy, protected skin. Make it a non-negotiable part of your daily routine, rain or shine.